Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes, MIOC. This is Shravani Sriramoju. Fundamentals of CAD/CAM. What makes CAD/CAM work is software. As we know, computer is an object that cannot do anything without giving proper instructions. So the set of instructions that defines the task that a computer should do is called a computer program. And software comprises of several such computer programs and procedures that describe and make the hardware understand what to do, how to do, and when to do. In other words, a software increases the capability of hardware. So it is a software that guides a computer at every point from where to stop, or when to start, how to function, what is a task, how it should be done, how to cross-check for errors, how to make decisions, when to give warnings. All these things are taken care by software. So it is the software that makes hardware work. And the process of developing such software is called programming. Software is majorly classified as system software and application software. System software is the software that controls the entire computer. It includes working on different application programs, the memory storage and retrieval, internal storage, data flow, and everything. The best example is an operating system. Other examples also include compilers, assemblers, loaders, and so on, which are inherent to the system, which are actually responsible for the functioning of a computer. And it majorly consists of machine language programs, so that the computer can interact with user. When a user writes a computer program, it is this system software that will help the hardware or the computer understand what the user is intending to do. So this task is majorly done by the system software. So as we have understood that a system software is something which is almost doing everything for a computer. It makes computer a system. And developing system software is really a difficult task because it does very complex tasks. So it is not easily developed by just anybody. It is mostly developed by the computer manufacturers. For example, Windows, Unix, DOS, Linux, and so on. To summarize the functions of system software, the first thing it does is data handling, then data communication, providing data security and error checking before making decisions, and also throwing warnings when necessary. Coming to application software. Application software, as the very name suggests, it's a software to do a particular application, and this application software will rely on system software. Without system software compatible with application software, these applications won't work. One very well known example of an application software is MS Office or any other apps that we are using in our mobiles now. So this is the briefing on what software is, because it's the base for our CAD, CAM and SIM. CAD is an abbreviation to computer aided design, meaning which the design is done using a computer. So computer systems are used to create, modify, that means edit, analyze and optimize a design. To perform this task, CAD tools are used. And these CAD tools function using the techniques of geometric modeling, computer graphics and design tools. Computer aided manufacturing, in short CAM. By definition, computer systems are used to plan, schedule, manage and control the operations of a manufacturing unit, or in short, using computer for manufacturing is what CAM is. And CAM tools comprises of CAD tools, the network integration modules, automation tools and manufacturing tools. The design that is being done previously using CAD tools is straight away fed to CAM tools using network integration modules, and automation programs are written to automate the entire process. The automation can be full or semi, and the manufacturing tool is most probably the machines. And when the design and manufacturing database is combined with the business functions, then we call the industry to be completely automated. All these functions are accomplished by computers, so it is termed as computer integrated manufacturing, SIM. The flowchart can be seen here. First comes the synthesis, then the CAD process, then the CAM process, and once the CAM process is completed, it goes for a packing and shipping. Synthesis combined with CAD process is called as design process. Let's look at what synthesis is. Synthesis has the initial phase of design. The design needs, design requirements are obtained here. Then the design definition, its functional specifications as well as technical specifications will be mentioned in the defining phase. Then every other information that is needed so as to make the design complete. So that collection of information that happens in the third phase. In this last phase of synthesis, also the feasibility is checked. That is whether the design that is being proposed or finalized, is it practically possible for the design to go to the next phase. Making a design is different from manufacturing from the design. Is it practically possible to use this design for manufacturing, and then again will it go for shipping, or is it what the market demands? So many other feasibilities are checked here, and after synthesis the analysis is made. Once the design is there, the design is analyzed to see how it can be improved or what are its loopholes. So from all the design variations that can be possible, the one that best fits is chosen as design under design optimization. Then once it is optimized, the design is evaluated further. Now even in evaluation, if it is successful in every possible way, then the design is documented. Once the design is finalized and documented, then starts the CAM process. This design is sent for manufacturing purpose. Under this there is first process planning. So the process planning is first written. For example, if we are designing a machine unit or a machine itself, then that machine unit will be comprising of several other items involved in it. There will be many nuts, many bolts, and not just that, there are many other things. So process planning of each and every unit of that particular machine unit, all the parts, all the sub-assemblies, all the assemblies, and later on the actual machine unit. The process planning for the entire unit is done. Then it goes on to production. So on the machine tools, the production is done. Once the production is done, then it goes to inspection, quality control. If it is okay in the inspection and quality control, then it will go for packaging, and then it goes to shipping. So when this entire business process is also computerized, that time we call it as computer integrated manufacturing, where the entire production unit, the entire industry is said to be automated.